Looking for a career in a fast-paced, high-demand field? NCK Tech's Information Technology program has what you need. With training in network administration, web design, programming, database, and more. Push your boundaries and test your limits in complex problem solving and data analytics. Hands-on training, small class sizes, and guaranteed job placement ensures you'll receive the individualized help you need to succeed. So, bring on a career in information technology.